On March 29, 2024, in Miami, a Florida Highway Patrol officer spotted a silver BMW speeding north on Interstate 95. The car weaved recklessly across multiple lanes, ignoring commands to stop, and officers had no choice but to initiate a pursuit. The chase pushed into Broward County, with the BMW continuing at dangerously high speeds, putting other drivers at serious risk on the busy roadway. Florida Highway Patrol quickly deployed additional units, working together to contain the situation.
Pull over right now. Pull over right now. BMW, pull over right now.
Behind the gold BMW, 95 block line express, passing 103.
Go on, that's winds. They're coming to you.
You know, now you guys are tag is November Golf Alpha X-ray 96 for gold BMW.
November Golf X-ray Alpha 96.
Golf X-ray Alpha 96 5429 silver BMW. Expiration of 1/18/2025. Be advised of data 10-1. For 95 Los Angeles Express, taxi on 132.
395, speed, weather, and traffic.
809, can you advise speed, weather, and traffic?
It sounds like in the Cleveland. It's on north of the express lane. That's the 486.
Roger.
79, go approach you, approach you. Dale, for radio.
On 1809, can you advise your update throughout the experience? For station temporary space on 1809, can you advise your update throughout the experience?
Tap 4 northbound, happy 151st Street.
Approaching
I'll take over. Passing Hollywood, 94 miles an hour in the express.
As the pursuit moved deeper into Broward County, troopers executed a precise vehicle intervention tactic, forcing the BMW to a safe stop. The driver was secured and taken into custody, bringing the dangerous chase to an end.